Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add header in Google Docs. We can add header in Google Docs two ways. First way, click insert option and here you will find this header and footer option. Click on this header and header already showing. You can change header position, click here, I add header right of the page. Now type your header and see this, all of this pages is header already showing. Also you can make change first page header, make it equal 3. Also you can increase decrease header size, you can change color. Now saying this, all of this page header same and first page header different. And again double click on this header, you will find this. Now select header option and select header format. Also you can change header margin, you can increase decrease header margin. I mean header margin 1.5 and see this apply, already increases. Yeah, this first way. Now I will remove this header, all of this header I will remove now, and simply click this belong top of this page, double click here and header option will be visible, and apply right and type here your header. You can also make all of this header same. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.